This is regarding the value of the lot in Lakeview, Fairmont. So I think more and more we can use Zillow for comping. I think it's works really well. Jasper's team uses it almost exclusively. They don't even have Prop Street. So here I just searched Fairmont, North Carolina, and I filtered by sold and home type land. And here's what we have. We got 3 acres sold for 15K, so that's 5 acres. Obviously, urban lot that's cleared sold for more. 9 acres here sold for 33, and 3 acres here sold for 7. Fairmont is a poor area, as we know, so we got to be careful there. And then this is nearby stuff that sold. 5 acres for 30,000, that's 6,000 an acre. 9 acres for 50,000, so what's that? 5,000 an acre. So overall, we're looking at 5 to 6 an acre, which is what I thought we'd be talking about in a place like Fairmont. Here's 37 acres for 144. So what's that? 3,000 an acre, 3 times, 3 to 4,000, 4 times 4. Yeah, it's 3 to 4,000 an acre. This is 50 acres for 139. So, I mean, we can't really compare 36 and 50 with 8 because the price per acre gets smaller as you go up in size. So these really big lots don't really apply, but here's 3 acres for 20. So that's on the high end. It's 2.5 acres. So we're looking at 8 per acre. And then these small building lots, they sell for 6 or 7. So the biggest comparables I can see here right now, we got 5 for 30 and 9 for 50. So that's, again, it's a little less than 6 there, and 9, that's 5, it's less than 6 there. And then 9 acres for 33. I don't know where these are in relationship to our property, but this gets us right in the ballpark of knowing that we're going to, retail here is probably 5 or 6 per acre. I saw on that lot that he was approved for an apartment building, but then Alistair found that they're changing that zoning to residential there. So I don't know, maybe an apartment building will still work, but we're not going to pay a commercial price, and you can't put a business there. So I think we're really in the retail range of 5 to 6 per acre. And then Alistair also found that there are ponds and waterways or in drainage there, which might drop the price even more. So 5 per acre times 8 acres, 5 times 8 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. So we're not way far off, but our wholesale prices, at or above retail, depending on what's going on with that lot. And I haven't looked at the actual lot to look at the location and see if there's anything amazing nearby, like a golf course or a lake or whatever. It says Lakeview, so maybe there's a lake there, but I still think that retail is 5 to 6K top. So if we're being conservative, because these big parcels are harder to sell than just a single building lot, then we'd be on the 5K side. If we're looking at 8 acres, then we'd be at 40 retail. And then we'd be trying to make our money on top of that. So we'd really be trying to get this property for 30, 35 max. This is just without even looking at the property, just looking at Fairmont. So that's some initial thoughts on it.